This video explains how you can use different version of JDK on Mac system. So you can have multiple JDKs installed on your Mac system or any other Linux system as well. But you can use one JDK at a time, and you can also switch to a specific JDK. So let us see how to do that. First of all, let us see what all JDKs are installed on Mac. For that, you have to execute this command. User libexec java home-v. So let us execute that command here, and it will display all the JDKs that are installed. You can see that JDK 11 is installed, and 1.8, 1.6 is installed as well. So let us say you want to first of all, let us check what JDK is right now being used. You can see that here 11.0.2 JDK is being used, but let us say you want to use 1.8, then how you can do that? For that, you have to execute this command, export java underscore home. Basically, you have to set the java underscore home variable with this version 1.8, because 1.8 is here. Remember that you can only set this version that is already available in this particular folder. Like if you have JDK 1.8 installed already, then only you can use it here. 1.7 is not here, you can see that. So we can't switch to 1.7. For that, you will have to download 1.7 version, and then you can switch to that 1.7 version. So over here you can let us switch to 1.8 now. And now I've switched to 1.8. Let us see the current version of the Java. For that, you can use this command java-version, and you can see that 1.8 is the current version now. Let us switch back to 11 now. For that, use this command version 11 and check the version again. I'm back to 11.0.2. So that's how you can switch between different JDKs. If your JDK is not listed here, what you have to do is you have to download the JDK manually, or you can also install the JDK using these commands over here. You have to tab this homebrew cask-versions, then you can use this command brew cask install, and then Java version. Thanks for watching this video.